Powerful allegations of ethnic discrimination are being leveled right now at the United States government. The complaints are coming from the farmlands of California. CNN's Thelma Gutierrez is there, and she's investigating. Thelma.
Wolf, we're talking about hundreds of small family farmers across the country who allege the USDA denied them access to government loans and disaster relief and has treated them unfairly based on their ethnicity and race. In Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, California, hundreds of Latino farmers say the U.S. Department of Agriculture discriminated against them and forced many families out of business. Like John Carrillo, whose father built a thriving family farm in Salinas, California.
That's our logo here. Our American dream was to succeed as a Hispanic farming company.
After the devastating floods of 1995, Carrillo asked for disaster relief.
I was denied 3 times.
He wasn't alone.
Yeah, we lost our 300-acre ranch that we were leasing in Greenfield, California.
What did you lose?
131 acres.
What did you lose?
180 acres.
Latino farmers allege that over decades, the USDA denied them loans and assistance that white farmers were able to get. They filed a complaint known as the Garcia Case, charging the government with discrimination. The case has stalled for nearly a decade.
Mr. Hill, how are you?
Attorney Stephen Hill represents the Latino farmers. His Washington, D.C. law firm took their case pro bono.
The original defendant in this case, Secretary Glickman, has admitted it in testimony before Congress that good people lost their farmland not because of bad weather, not because of bad crops, but because of the color of their skin.
Latino farmers, Native Americans, women, and African Americans all filed class action lawsuits against the USDA, claiming discrimination. But the government settled only with the black farmers.
And to date, the government has paid out nearly $1 billion to some 15,000 black farmers.
And the allegations that the black farmers made were similar to the Hispanic farmers?
Not similar, identical.
The only difference between the two cases, according to Hill, the black farmers were certified to fight as a group, whereas the court has not granted Latino farmers class action status.
The Garcia case is a little different because it wasn't certified as a class action.
Tom Vilsack, the current Agriculture Secretary, acknowledged as much in a recent video posted on YouTube. In a statement to CNN, the USDA said Secretary Vilsack is committed to addressing allegations of discrimination and is working vigorously to address its inventory of older civil rights complaints. How many of you are still farmers today? None of you? What are you doing now, Joe?
I'm running harvesting crews for a company.
I'm working in Kmart.
A bitter end to an American dream. The farmers say if they're forced to fight the government individually, many families will not be able to afford the legal battle, and their cases may never be heard. Wolf.
Thelma, thanks very much. We're counting down, by the way, to a major CNN event, Latino in America, a comprehensive look at how Latinos are changing America, reshaping politics, business, schools, churches, and neighborhoods. Latino in America coming October 21st and October 22nd right here on CNN.